Hello student, currently we are calculating short questions of admission of a partner and our topic is changes in profit sharing ratio. Previously we have complete case number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Means 4 cases completed. Today in this lecture we will discuss case number 5. And what is the name of case number 5? When old partners sacrifice particular fraction of their share in favor of new partner. Means old partner sacrifice particular fraction of his share. So here we are going to start illustration 5, which is given on page number 148. So student, open your textbook, page number 148, exercise and illustration 5. In this illustration, old ratio of A and B old partner is given 1:1 equally. A sacrifice 1/5 of his share. Student, this condition is very important, of his share, and B sacrifice 1/4 of his share. That means 1/5 portion is not a complete sacrifice made by A. A not sacrifice 1/5 share. A sacrifice 1/5 of his share. His share means A share is here 1/2. 1:1, that is 1/2. So here A sacrifice is equal to 1/5 of his share. His share is 1/2 into 1/5. That is 1/10. I understand? 1/5 of his share. Same thing B sacrifice. B sacrifice 1/4 of his share. B share is 1/2. Old share 1/2, of which 1/4 sacrifice. So 1/8. So this is sacrifice share. And now when sacrifice share is available, then example becomes similar to case number 2 when sacrifice share is given. So in that case, new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice share. New minus sacrifice, old minus sacrifice share. So here there are two old partner A and B. Old ratio, old share is 1/2 minus sacrifice share. So A sacrifice 1/8 share. A sacrifice 1/10 share. So 1/10. B sacrifice 1/8 share. Understand? Now LCM. So LCM is 2 and 10, and here 2 and 8, right? So it will be better to take LCM equal. So 10 and 8 are given, so LCM is to be taken 40. LCM 40. So here multiplied by 20 and multiplied by 4, again multiplied by 20, and here multiplied by 5, right? 8 5s are 40. Now 20 minus 4 divided by 40. 20 minus 4 is equal to 16/40. Understand? And here 20 minus 5 divided by 40, so is equal to 15/40. Now C share. Student, be careful here. C share is not given. So be careful. C share is equal to A sacrifice plus B sacrifice. This is very important concept of admission of a partner. New partner get profit which is sacrificed by old partner. So A sacrifice plus B sacrifice is equal to new partner C share. A sacrifice 1/10 share. A sacrifice 1/10 and B sacrifice 1/8 share. Right? Now take LCM. So LCM is 40. LCM is 40. So here 4 and here 5. So 4 plus 5 divided by 40 is equal to 9/40. Student, this is C partner C share, and C share is 9/40. 9/40, and here LCM is already 40. denominator equal already. So 9 by 40. So what is new profit sharing ratio? 16 is to 15 is to 9. So new ratio is 16 is to 15 is to 9. Understand? Student, in this illustration you are also asked to calculate sacrifice ratio. Am I right? So very simple formula of sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio or share is equal to old minus new. Son, old minus new, old share minus new share. And sacrifice ratio always determined for old partner. Who are old partner? A and B. What is old ratio? Equally 1 by 2 minus new ratio. Here new ratio is 16 by 40 for A, right, and 15 by 40 for B. Now LCM, here LCM is 40, it is multiplied by 20, right? So 20 minus 16 divided by 40 is equal to 4 by 40. This is A sacrifice, A sacrifice 4 by 40. And now B sacrifice 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. So 5 by 40. So this is sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio of A and B is 4:5. This is extra answer, sacrifice ratio, right? Let us understand further example of similar case. Page number 205, exercise 3.10. Student, here condition is old ratio of A and B is 3:1. A sacrifice 1/3 of his share and B sacrifice 1/4 of his share. Means here sacrifice share is not given, right? So let us start calculation. A sacrifice is equal to 1/3 of his share. His share is 3 by 4 into 1/3. 3 by 4 into 1/3, right? So A sacrifice 3 by 4 into 1/3 is equal to 3 by 12. Same thing B sacrifice. B sacrifice is equal to 1/4 of his share, and his share is 1/4 into 1/4 is equal to 1 by 16. Student, this is sacrifice 1 by 16. And now determine new share. Student, before determining new share, it will be better to determine new partner share, because here C share is not given. Very simple. C share is equal to A sacrifice plus B sacrifice. A sacrifice 3 by 12 share and B sacrifice 1 by 16 share. And now important point, LCM. LCM is 48. LCM is 48, right? 48 LCM. So here 4 and here 3. So 12 plus 3 divided by 48. So new partner share is 15 by 48. C share is 15 by 48. It will be used at last, right? And now new share. New share is equal to mathematical formula. New share is equal to old share minus sacrifice share. So new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice share. Okay, A and B are old partner. Their old share is given here 3 by 4, 1 by 4 minus sacrifice share. Sacrifice share is 3 by 12 and 1 by 16. Student, here again LCM. Here LCM is to be taken 48. To make denominator equal, it will better to take LCM 48, right? 48. So here 12, here 4. 12 3s are 36 minus 12 divided by 48 is equal to 24. by 48. Understand? Now here LCM again 48, right? So here 12 and here 3. 12 minus 3 divided by 48 is equal to 9 by 48. And now last partner C share is already available 15 by 48. 15 by 48. So now you can see that denominator is equal 48, 48, 48. So new ratio is 24 is to 9 is to 15. That is common. How much rupees common? How much? So here 3 common, 3 common. So 8 is to 3 is to 5. This is new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is 8 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, in this exercise you are also asked to calculate new profit sharing, sacrificing ratio. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share, and sacrifice ratio always determined for old partner A and B. Remember that the old ratio is given at the beginning 3 is to 1, so 3 by 4, 1 by 4, minus new share. Here new share is 8 is to 3 is to 5, so 8 by how much? 8 by 16 and 3 by 16. So what is LCM? 16. LCM is 16. So here multiplied by 4 and 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 8 divided by 16 is equal to 4 by 16, right? And here 4 minus 3 by 16 is equal to 1 by 16. So what is sacrificing ratio? So your sacrificing ratio is 4 is to 1. Sacrifice ratio is 4 is to 1. Okay, now we are going to page number 205. Same exercise given in the example 3.11. Student, here condition is A and B old partner, their old profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3. A sacrificed 3 by 10 of his share. Of his share is important word. B sacrificed 1/4 of his share. Now first of all determine sacrifice made by old partner. A sacrifice is equal to, so A sacrifice 3 by 10 of his share. What is A's share? 5 by 8 into 3 by 10 is equal to 15 by 80. A sacrifice 15 by 80, right? Now B sacrifice. So B sacrifice is equal to 1/5 of his share. His share is 3 by 8 into 1/5, that is 3 by 40, right? A sacrifice, B sacrifice. And now calculation of C share. C share is equal to A sacrifice plus B sacrifice. Student, A sacrifice 15 by 80 share, B sacrifice 3 by 40 share. Take LCM. LCM is 80. So here 1 and here 2, right? So 15 plus 6 by 80 is equal to 21 by 80. This is C share, new partner C share. Now our example become very simple. Mathematical formula of new share. New share is equal to old share minus sacrifice share. A and B are old partner and their old share is given above 5 is to 3. 5 by 8, 3 by 8, right? Minus sacrifice share. So A sacrifice 15 by 80 share and B sacrifice 3 by 40 share. Student, it is advisable to take LCM 80. LCM 80, it is advisable, right? So here 80 LCM, so 10 into 5, 50 minus 15 divided by 80 is equal to 35 by 80. Again LCM 80, so 10 and here 2. 30 minus 6 divided by 80, that is 24 by 80, right? And C share is already available in the form of denominator 80. So C share 21 by 80, right? So what is new profit sharing ratio? Denominator equal, so new ratio is 35 is to 24 is to 21. This is new profit sharing ratio. 35 is to 24 is to 21. And sacrifice ratio is equal to, so sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share, old minus new. So sacrifice ratio of old partner A and B is equal to old share is given here 5 by 8, 3 by 8, understand, minus new share. The new share is 35 by 80 and 24 by 80. And now LCM 80, LCM 80. So here 10, right? 10 5 is 50 minus 35 divided by 80 is equal to 15 by 80, and 30 minus 24 by 80 is equal to 6 by 80. So what is sacrifice ratio? So sacrifice ratio is 15 is to 6. Sacrifice ratio is 15 is to 6, that is 5 is to 2. 5 is to 2. 15 by 6 means 5 is to 2 because 3 element common. So I understand case number 5, off condition of old partner sacrifice particular fraction of their share. This is important point. Thank you.